Hello, this lecture will be going over the slip fit repair job. Now this is doesn't require a program. It's all done on the manual lathes. What this is to simulate, I guess, is just to like maybe a repair job. Let's kind of vision this as being maybe a trailer spindle. Okay, and then this is where your bearing surface might be. And let's say the bearing blew up. The guy never greased his bearings or whatever. And that got all raggedy. Okay, that's off an older trailer. Maybe the guy that owns it's just cheap and he doesn't want to buy a new one. You'd rather have you machine it for free. So what we're going to do basically is we're going to repair if that was damaged. Okay, so hopefully when you did this part on the CNC, you left your rough stock on it. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to machine this part down, okay? Machine that down, and then we're going to put a sleeve that comes over the top of that. You're going to press fit that sleeve on, okay? You're not going to, you press fit, your directions tell you exact 0.002 to 0.003 press fit. Now keep in mind that's millimeters, not thousandths. Okay, so you can kind of go about this two different ways. What I would generally do is I would turn this down first, okay? And you want a wall thickness of about 2 millimeters. Okay, so now you can go put it in a 3-jaw chuck, turn this down, okay? And then get your dimension that you're going to leave about 2 millimeters. So you're going to be about minus 4 millimeters, give or take, whatever, off of that 39.75. Okay, get your good measurement. Okay, now go and bore, make your sleeve that's going to go on, and you're going to want to have your sleeve just a little bit longer. So if I could draw this, okay, this is probably going to be 32 millimeters. You want it a little bit longer. Okay. I would rough that diameter in. Now we got to finish at 39.75, so I would probably make that about 42 millimeters. Okay, rough that in. You want to leave yourself some stock, maybe 42, maybe 45. Leave yourself a couple of passes for finishing. And then this is going to be for your press fit of whatever you machine this down to. Okay. Another thing is, don't forget to chamfer this inside edge to accommodate any kind of a tool nose that you had when you machine that out. Okay, so after you get that done, you want to go over to the arbor press, press fit it on. Okay, so hopefully now you have a part that looks something similar to this. Okay, that's press fit on. Okay, then you just face this off. Now you want to, now you're going to go put it in a 4-jaw, and you make sure you want to indicate on 2 places to make sure you're in there square. Okay, it's important to keep that in there square because remember this is your total runout tolerance now that you have to achieve 0.00 or 0.05 millimeters. So it's not good enough just to indicate on one surface because you could be in there crooked. You want to come out here and indicate on another surface as well. Make sure you're in there nice and square. Okay, so you want to make sure you do that in a 4-jaw. So then you just go ahead and machine out your features. Face it off. You should go until it just touches and then take a couple little, hopefully just a couple little light cuts to establish your 39.75 again. Okay, then after that's done, then you're going to flip it over. Probably go to the saw first, remove most of it, and then take it down to length. So, like I say, it's kind of a neat little project. It simulates a repair job. Very common in our machine shops in this area. They're big on repairing things, so it might be something very well you come across in industry. So if you have any questions, please come and see me. Otherwise, good luck.